Sports fans, we got a special unboxing tonight. As you can tell, we're kind of in our new little studio, and we're going to be unboxing, unlike last night, where I thought we were unboxing this Panzer IV F2. We unboxed the Stug 3. But anyway, so we're going to try to repent from that tonight. Wow, this is my favorite part. Okay, I'll turn it that way, and then we're going to turn it this way. That's always an exciting tank. Now this F4, or the Panzer IV F2 is what they call the long. Boy, this one's got the longer barrel on it. Oh my gosh, that's a pretty tank. All right, now. Here's the battery. On these small wheelbase tanks, you come with a real smallish charger. And here we go. This will have the parts, accessories in it. That will have a bunch of stuff in it. Oh, here's the Apple and the charger, and then here's all the important controller. Now, I've got a bunch of controllers, but I've got them programmed. I've got a controller for every tank, but I only run about 3 or 4 controllers because I just reprogram them every time I'm driving a tank, unless I'm running multiple tanks. Look, we got a separate cupola. Look at that fun cupola. All right. Anyway, so here we got our F4 tank, and it's got all this crap on it. Now this also is a new design because it has the switch up here on the top. So that's good. So we'll just close that down. And I did put some batteries in here. This takes 6 double D batteries, and we'll turn it on. We'll see what happens. Listen. Wow. That's cool. Also, look at the smoke coming out of here. Can you see the smoke? I mean, let's say exhaust fumes. We'll call them exhaust fumes. All right. So we got smoke going. Let's see if the turret turns. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, does 340 degrees. A pretty rapid thing on it. Nice proportional control. Goes nice and slow if you want it to. good looking tank. Subscribe, damn it. Bye. Breathe hard. Hold your breath, push. Okay. There. Screwing. A lot of people like to screw things in, screw a lot, but I'm too old to do that. Whatever that means. I don't even know where I was going with that. Sorry. Get your mind out of the gutter, Adam. Sorry. All right. There we go.